Affordable hidden gem fragrances that smell expensive. Paco Rabanne. It's his month. He passed away. This fragrance is called Ultra Red Man. Came out in 2008. Blood orange is in here alongside pralines. Makes you smell like Angel Mueller Zest. The orange bottle lasts a very long time. Everything on this list lasts above average with an above average sillage. And one of them coming up is the strongest one on the list. We'll talk about that in a second. The next fragrance is called Haramain Lab Night. And this one is like Creed Green Irish Tweed. It's got the lemon, the iris, the verbena. It's very good, and I love the scent sprayer. It's like nice blast coming out at you. How about this one? Le Motif by Orientica, Imperial Gold. I found this fragrance and I thought, I sprayed it and I got this beautiful powdery dry down of citrus, violet, and amber and sandalwood, and it reminded me just of something called Creed Silver Mountain Water. Oh yeah, it smells really good. Here's a really cool one. RMF Luxura. Nice wooden bottle. Same smell as Dior Fahrenheit, the summer edition, which is extremely rare. I love that Dior Fahrenheit summer. Does anyone have it? Comment down below. By the way, comment down below your favorite hidden gem clones that smell like hidden gem fragrances. That's a cool thing for me to ask you, please. Next is called Ben's. This came out in 2022. It's called Ben's Sign Your Attitude built-in sprayer. When I spray this, it reminds me of Jerome Cologne. It's funny that Ben's makes all their fragrances like that. It's got cypress, ginger, and stuff like that, musky, animalic. Here's one called Charoto Tobacco Vanilla. It's a poor attempt to smell like tobacco vanilla, but for 25 bucks, 30 bucks, it's a good attempt. It's price value proposition, right? The next one is called Kismet for men. It lasts a very long time. You have notes like coffee, vanilla, vetiver, and wood, and it smells like Moustache Rocha 2018, the new one. It smells just like that, which also smells like Yves Saint Laurent Tuxedo. A lot of hype going around this fragrance. It does give you decent projection and lasts a nice long time. Nice sweet wood. Here's one of my favorites on the list. Lalique White and Black with notes of citrus, vanilla, lavender, and patchouli. Smells identical to Parfums de Marley Layton. Price drop on this. Be aware, it used to be $132 on Amazon, $100 on eBay, 70, 60. Now I'm seeing them 50, 40. Here's one of the longest lasting, coolest fragrances you can get, and I found it for 26 bucks. Not in production anymore, by Alberto Morias. It's called Addictive Oriental. It's a green fragrance in a purple bottle. Look at that. It's so cool. It lasts a long time. It projects a long time. Mercedes-Benz has a big bankroll. They made this in 2015 and it is fire because it's so unique. It also has some woody notes and some vetiver, but ultimately it's what it's called exactly. VIP Addictive Oriental, but it's not really Oriental. It's got some green notes in it. Here's another one. It's called Lasmat Oud. This one here is very strong, very long lasting. And what does it smell like? First time. Ooh, what a cool sprayer. Look at that. It's a good interpretation that I would recommend if you want to smell like Tom Ford oud wood with a little bit more depth on that oud. Here's a brand new one from RMF called Très Nuit Lyric. If you are beginners to fragrances, out of this whole list, either you get this or this, I would recommend, or the Lalique, or the second one called L'Aventure. But these are the most mass appealing fragrances on the list. This one smells like the most mass appealing for any age, 16 to 60. You're talking about aquatic notes, sea notes. It smells like Acqua di Gio Profondo. It lasts a long time. It's like 30 bucks. Totally cool fragrance. It's all red bottle, but it's a blue fragrance. Real hidden gem fragrance. I paid $8 at TK Maxx, 1.7 Oscar de la Renta Gentleman. I looked it up last year. It was $30. I should have bought it. Now you look it up, it's $100. If you like videos like this, click this one.